Have you ever experienced piercing irritation? That mystery bump when you're doing everything right. It goes away only to come back, leaving you wondering what's going on? We're led to believe caring for your piercing simply means how often you spray saline and how well you keep it dry. So why doesn't that work? Did you know pressure is at the heart of most piercing issues, and caring for your piercing starts with the fit, which is the length and style of jewelry that's right for your anatomy. Need I mention the quality of jewelry that doesn't irritate your piercing or worse? So let's get into it. When your jewelry doesn't fit well, things like tight clothing or even sleeping on your piercing add unnecessary pressure to your piercing, causing irritation. It's everything from friction to things pulling and snagging on your jewelry. Think of a piercing bump like a blister on your hand. If you hold on to something too tight, too long, the pressure and friction cause a blister. The same thing happens with your piercing. It's illogical. If the jewelry is too long or too short, if it fills your navel or pushes out of your navel, any of this is enough to keep your piercing constantly irritated. Yes, it might seem like it's healing, but why does that mystery bump resurface? On this note, I have an exciting announcement. Starting today, you'll find on our website the most comprehensive piercing care kit to ensure you're prepared for any scenario. Whether you're just starting with a fresh piercing or you've had one for a while, these kits have everything you need to ensure your piercing stays healthy, comfortable, and beautiful. Our ultimate kit is your all-in-one solution for a flawless piercing journey. Your piercing evolves over time, and so does its care. From proper fitted jewelry to monitoring it to spot a change, such as your jewelry getting longer, to daily cleansing and addressing unexpected bumps or irritation, this kit has you covered every step of the way. It includes the Luna Ruler, my latest creation, which is a flexible, thick plastic ruler designed to help you achieve the perfect jewelry fit. Proper fitting is key to comfort and long-term success of your piercing. For daily care, it includes the Base Laboratories Aftercare Spray, a dermatologist-tested all-in-one solution to cleanse, sterilize, and soothe your piercing. It's a must-have for daily maintenance. It also includes the Dynamic Duo that works magic when issues arise. The Piercing Bump Treatment Oil and Hypochlorous Acid. Made with natural ingredients, it soothes irritation and promotes healing. With all of these products at your disposal, all you need to do is use them. Piercing irritations are normal, just like blisters on your hands. You're bound to hurt your piercing in some way. We're in constant motion. This kit is about being prepared for the best possible piercing journey.